Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you if you get a scratch on your car like this, then how to repair it without using paint or tools. So let's get the video started. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to touch the scratch like this and check. Use your nails to scratch it a little bit and check if the black part which is here is the bumper exposed or if it is a paint from another surface. So by looking at it closely you will come to know what exactly it is. If the bumper is exposed, then you can't do anything about it. You will have to apply paint there because the top paint layer is gone completely. So in that case you will have to do a paint job. But when I checked this scratch, this was not the bumper exposed and the top black thing was where the car got scratched. The paint from another surface has been transferred on the bumper. Now to take it out, you will have to use a PU thinner like this. Dip a clean cloth in a PU thinner and start to wipe like this. This is my brother's car, and while he was taking out the car from the garage, he scratched it somewhere, and as you guys can see how on top of my cloth black paint is come. So wherever this car got scratched on that surface, there must have been black paint on it. Now with this process you can't take out the deep scratches, but you can take out the black paint which is too much visible. And once you take out all this paint, your scratch will be almost not visible. Now this is a plastic bumper. If there is no paint on the bumper also, it is okay because it will not rust. Nothing will happen to it. This is only to look good. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money and paint this, and if there is a slight scratch it is okay for you, then you can save a lot of money on this. Now to use this technique, you should first know what type of paint is on your car. If your car has a clear coat on it or if it has a single stage paint on it. If your car has a clear coat on top, then you can use this process very easily. But on this car there is single stage paint system. Still I'm using this technique, but if I overdo it and if I over wipe it, then the white paint will start to come out. So if your car has a single stage paint system on it, then see that you don't wipe the white color paint too much. And if you guys want to know what type of paint system is there on your vehicle, then I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screens. You can later go there and watch that video as well. See that you comment below and let me know how you like this technique. And if you guys want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, then I have put a link of my course in the description below where I teach Autobody and painting step by step how to acquire a professional looking finish, and that too from your home garage. And at the moment there is a new year offer going on, so don't delay, because you guys know I don't put this type of offers often. So see that you take advantage of the offer, because this offer is only for the first 10 people who will get themselves enrolled. So go ahead and get yourself enrolled. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So let me take this opportunity guys to wish all of you guys a very happy and a prosperous new year. So come on, let's see the final shots of the scratch.